here, I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our
Welcome back, Royals. As part of the holiday cinema, I gave you Breakfast at Tiffany's. And adjoining this opulent space, I give you The Preacher's Wife. In the regal combination of ivory gold and, of course, a splash of Tiffany blue, sit back and relax, and you too will see why I coined this space The Preacher's Wife. Enjoy!
Winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this Christmas in my heart.
Well, not only is The Preacher's Wife one of my all-time favorite movies, but it just happens to be one of my favorite soundtracks. And it also celebrates my favorite being, and that being the King of Kings. And I felt it was only fitting that I kept the deity and regalness of the gold to represent my king in this space. Me being true to who I am, I'm always going to add a splash of Tiffany, and it just came together beautifully. This picture actually set the tone for the entire look. And all of the words scripted of peace, joy. Come, let us adore him. The nativity scene, every aspect of this space speaks of my love for my Lord and Savior. Yeah, I know it's not technically his birthday, but it is the day that the world set aside to acknowledge it, and I too will celebrate and commemorate it in any way possible. In addition to the 365, 7 days a week that I always honor him, Christmas is a time that I will take it up a notch. It's for Jesus, right? So now let's get into the details, guys, starting with this amazing coffee bar. My teacup collection is quite exquisite, if I do say so myself, with the initial cups. This sign, you guys, was a 90% off purchase from Michael's about 4 Christmases ago, and I absolutely love it. It entails all of the colors that I wanted to style in this space. Moving down, you guys, what's more exquisite than a decadent cake dish? There's some decadent desserts inside. This caramel crumb cake is amazing, and it's wonderful with teas, hot cocos, coffees, or any beverage of choice. So I felt it was only fitting to style it here with my beverage bar. The canister set, you guys, is from Inspire Me Home Decor. The paper towel holder, Inspire Me Home Decor. Just trying to give you guys just a little details of the items in the space. Some of them I shared in a shopping haul of some sort, but just to kind of give you a nod to the things that are here. This, you guys, these are some of my favorite things in the room. These towels are from a cute little floral shop in my area, and they are just absolutely perfect for the theme. This cute little teacup and tea warmer is an Amazon find. The "Oh, come let us adore him" sign is from Hobby Lobby. And how decadent is this? Just dainty and regal, and it just fits the theme perfectly. All of the beautiful gold tones just tell of the opulent regal essence of who our King of Kings really is. Moving over now to this cute little vignette, guys. The cake dishes from Home Goods. The dish set is from Home Goods. The peace sign is from Hobby Lobby. The garland is from Walmart. The tray is from TJ Maxx. The gold and white dish is from Tuesday Morning. And my oil and vinegar containers are from Amazon. The gold and white tray is from Inspire Me Home Decor, and the white one is from Ross. And that rounds out this beautiful regal vignette. Many of these items, guys, were purchased off season at 50, 60, 70, some even 90% off. It pays to take your time and create a curated look that you can style with year after year and get a joyful, peaceful feeling each time you design with it. Moving over now to another favorite vignette, you guys. This would be the newest pieces in this space. This joy sign is from Burlington. How gorgeous is this with the warm wood tones, the opulent gold? Just absolutely exquisite. And let's take this tree collection all in. The wood tones are just absolutely perfect with the creams and the golds from Burlington. One from Ross. The canisters are from Ross. The tray that is sitting on, also from Ross. Again, the garland is from Walmart. The oversized round charcuterie board is from Tuesday Morning. And the larger one is from Inspire Me Home Decor. And that rounds out this beautiful vignette. It was all about creating moments in each nook and cranny so that everywhere your eye looked in this space, you felt a sense of joy, you saw beauty, and I still have space for functionality because, yes, we eat, cook, and enjoy ourselves in this space. Now, if it's your first time visiting and you see what you like and like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Hit those notifications, guys, because there's so much more to share. In the meantime, stay safe, remain royal, and have a blessed and beautiful day.